Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create this circular roadmap. This is completely customizable. As an example, let's say you wanted this orange arc to go up to end of 2028. Just drag this yellow handle of this orange arc and release it at the line for 2028. If you wanted this green one to end earlier, you can do that. If you wanted to add another progress ring, just duplicate one of the existing ones, reduce its size, place it here, move the labels around, duplicate this separator, rotate it, adjust this progress ring to end here and recolor it with this blue. And just like that, we were able to add one more ear and one more progress ring. So it's super useful yet innovative. So let me show you how to create this. On a new slide, go to Insert, click on Shapes, select this semicircle called block arc. Draw a big enough arc. Make sure you hold on Shift key. It makes sure the proportions are maintained. I'm also going to increase the width. Next, let's resize it from left and right end so it's slightly smaller than a semicircle. I think that looks good. Then go to Shape Fill, give this no fill. Next up, go to Insert, click on Shapes again. This time select this arc. Draw an arc that's as big as this outer edge of this semicircle. I'm going to resize this so that it matches the curvature exactly. This is essential the first time because after that, whenever we duplicate this arc and reduce its size, we can maintain proportions easily. This will take a little bit of fine tuning, but nothing difficult. Let me actually increase the weight of this line so we can see better. This much is good. Then right click, click on Format Shape, open up the line menu. Under Cap Type, select Round. This will make sure the ends of this arc are rounded. I plan to have 4 ears in my roadmap. So ear 1 would be up to here, ear 2 here, ear 3 here, and ear 4 here. So let's put those labels in. Go to Insert, click on Text Box. Let's type in 2026 as our first ear, or let me actually call this ear 1. Let's rotate it and place it here. Duplicate it, call this ear 2. Let's rotate it. Let's add labels for ear 3 and ear 4. Let's add separators between ears. So go to Insert, click on Shapes, select a line, draw a line that intersects these 2 ears. Let's color this black, duplicate it 2 times. This one goes here and this one goes here. Now let's add our first progress ring. So I want my first progress ring to start from here and end here. So I've selected this blue arc here. Let me reduce its size. Okay, then click on this yellow handle on the right hand side and just drag this to the left hand side up to this line here. That's our first progress ring. You get the idea. Ear 2 progress ring needs to end here. Ear 3 needs to end here. And ear 4 needs to end here. Let's duplicate it. I need this to end here, but we also need to resize it because now this is going to be smaller than this outer ring here. If we drag this all the way on the right hand side, you will see that the curvature doesn't match. So we will have to reduce its size and make sure it aligns with this curvature. Let's also do that exercise for 2 more rings inside. It's just easier to align them if we do them all at once. Let's repeat this one last time. Reduce its size. Okay, now we need this second ring to go up to here. This ring needs to end at the end of ear 3 and ear 4 is fine. What I would suggest is you leave some space inside in case you need to add one more ring later on. So I think this setup looks good. Next, let's add circles here, which will be our milestones. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select a circle, give this a white border that's also thick. Place this circle here. Let's have 2 milestones for ear 2. Let's have 3 milestones for ear 3, and ear 4 has 1 milestone. All right, let's color each of these circles with a unique color. So the first one is fine. Let's color the second one orange. This one can be yellow. Let's make this gray. This one can be blue. make this green, and the last one can be this purple. Next, let's color each of these progress rings. So the first one is fine. Let's color the second one with this yellow color. This one can be this green, and the last one will have to be this purple. Now let's add our text. I'm going to place a small text box here, which will be the title of each of these milestones. Then let me add placeholder text that will be associated with each of these milestones. Let me add a line below it, which will be in the same color as the color of the circle. So blue in this case. Then add a line that goes from this horizontal line to this milestone text. Let's add a circle at one end. So on the right hand side, select end arrow type as this circle. Okay, now let's repeat this for all these circles. Let's add one final text box in the center. And we are done. So let's say if you want to add one more progress ring here, it's straightforward. Let me duplicate this slide. Copy this inner ring, paste it, reduce the size. Let's say we wanted this ring to end here and this one here. Let's recolor accordingly. We also want to add one more ear here. Let's call this ear 5. Let's readjust everything. We can also increase the size of this semicircle to give us more room for the labels. I'm going to move this slightly, add a separator. And that's how you can customize this. As with all my videos, I will be leaving a link to this file in the description. Feel free to download it and use it as you please. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for future videos, and I will catch you next time.